Hi guys, welcome back to Food Travel Company. Summer is here and in today's video we are taking you all the way to Rajajinagar in North Bangalore. Yes, it's Sagar Hotel's iconic Mango Milkshake. You can call this as liquid gold. Fresh slices of mangoes are blended with milk and sugar to a rich and thick milkshake, and when poured into a glass looks like liquid gold. And then the topping of cut mango cubes and fresh cream is what makes this milkshake truly special. Just use the spoon to mix the cream and mangoes into the milkshake and then use it to scoop up all that goodness. Wow, it was just amazing. This place is definitely recommended to be visited this summer. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.